Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete your Google Maps timeline, location privacy control step by step clearly.
Open the Google Maps app on your Android phone or iPhone. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account you want to manage. Tap your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Select your timeline from the menu. Tap the three dots menu in the top right corner of the timeline screen. Choose Settings and Privacy to open timeline controls.
Scroll to find the section called Location Settings or Location History Settings.
Confirm that location history is turned on only if you still want Google to store future visits. If you want to stop future tracking, toggle location history off for this account. Scroll down to find the timeline section called Delete Timeline Data. Tap Delete All Location History to remove your entire timeline.
Read the warning message carefully to understand this action cannot be undone.
If you are ready, tap Delete to confirm the full removal. Wait a few seconds while Google processes the deletion request. Go back to the timeline main page to verify the map and days are now empty.
Return again to Settings and Privacy for more precise deletion options.
Tap Delete Location History Range to remove only specific dates.
Set the start date for the period you want to delete. Set the end date for the period you want to delete.
Tap Continue and then confirm by tapping Delete. Next, find the option called Auto Delete Location History. Tap Auto Delete and choose an automatic deletion period like 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. Select your preferred period based on how much history you want to keep. Tap Next and then confirm to enable Auto Delete. For extra privacy, open your phone settings and review app permissions for Google Maps. Set location permission to while using the app instead of always if you prefer.
If you use a computer, go to myactivity.google.com and open Activity Controls for the same settings.
Check again that location history and auto delete match your privacy preference.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.